to factory data reset on your iPhone 17 year. Open up setting and go to general, and from here you need to go the reset, erase all contact, press on continue and erase data, erase iPhone. But before that I am telling you, just log out from your iCloud, go to your iCloud, then sign out, complete the sign out process. So once sign out complete, and now go back general again. From here reset iPhone, erase all iPhone data, press on continue, erase iPhone, then enter your current passcode. Once all done, then your phone will be hard reset or factory reset, and phone will be restart with new way. It takes some time, so be patient and wait for fresh iPhone. Thank you. Have a good day.